Hi families, today I'm going to show you two different ways to change your child's name on Zoom. One way is once you're already logged in and the other one is before you log in. So first I'm going to go ahead and join a meeting. I'm going to enter a code that I've already saved and I'm going to join. So this is assuming you're already on a Zoom call because sometimes it will log you in automatically. So normally when you log in, you can see all of the participants right here. So you would hover over your own name and click on More. Once you click on More, you will see Rename. That is where you can rename with the first and last name of your child. Sometimes Zoom gives students a number, so this is where you can change that once you're already on the call. Now the other way, I need to leave this meeting to show you, is on this screen. If you see this when you're first joining, you can click on Join. This is where you would enter the meeting ID. In the second little space here, this is where you can add your child's first and last name. So again, this really helps us out when we're on the Zoom call. If you could give it a try, we would really appreciate it. Thank you.